Good afternoon to everyone. Myself Parandaman, Assistant Professor, VELAMMAL Institute of Technology. Good afternoon to one and all present here. I welcome Mr. Gaja Bantha, Navas, Raja Mohammed, and all the participants. I'm going to give short bio of speaker profile. Gaja Bantha Navas Raja Mohammed works as an Assistant Professor in the School of Mechanical Engineer at Sathyabama Institute of Science and Technology, India. He received his engineering Masters in Industrial Engineering from R.Kaja College of Engineering in 2007. His research interests are education, business analytics, computational intelligence, industrial engineering, design of experiments, optimization, mathematical modeling, and machine learning techniques. He had wide knowledge and experience in modeling and optimization using various tools and software packages like SPSS, SAS, Minitab, Design Expert, MATLAB, etc. He has published more than 40 papers and refers to international journals and conference proceedings. He got 10 industrial design patent grants and 8 patents published. He is a CMI level 5 certified profession for change management, technical leadership development program funded by AICTE UK India, Education and Research Innovative UK IERI, and one of the mentor of Change for Atal Tinkering Lab as part of Atal Innovation Mission, NITI, Ayog, Government of India. Recently, he received a Global Engineer Leadership Scholarship for Summer Research School, National Tsinghua University, Taiwan. I warm welcome you again, sir.
Thank you very much, sir. First of all, I thank organizer, VELAMMAL Institute of Technology and Sathyabama Institute of Science and Technology, and Dr. Kaliappan sir, and the Balakrishnan sir. I will start my session directly. Assessment and rubrics for evaluating the capstone projects. That is our today's agendas. And first of all, just see that motivation of the sessions. I won't show that only one things. Skills, attitude, and knowledge. Skills and attitudes producing commitment. Skills and attitudes are producing commitments. Knowledge and skills are producing process. And knowledge and attitudes are producing purpose. Knowledge and attitude and skills together producing ability. That is most OBE, the people's OBE speaking about ability of the students. What my student have this much of ability. That ability word is very important in OBE and aggregation process. And this is my presentation's subdivisions. First of all, I discuss quality of projects and project to IPS is a very important talks. Second one is I will little bit touch CDIO concept. One more thing, I'm audible, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You're audible.
Okay. Yes, sir. So my presentation have a 3 different subsections. I'm mainly focusing quality of projects. Quality of projects. Second chapter is project to IPS, and third chapter is CDIO. CDIO, it's like a one tool for projects. I will touch very little bit CDIO. Okay, sir. Accreditation, sir. All the self-finance colleges running a ranking and accreditations. Ranking and accreditation is a coin. Two sides of the coins. So two sides of the coin. It's a number games. Accreditations is a continuous process, not a single night miracle. It's not a single day miracle. Accreditation is a process of quality assurance and improvement. Assurance means you are assuring your quality in all the aspects. Just note it, assurance in all the aspects. In the mechanical engineering, people are stressing one word: concurrent force. Concurrent force means you are giving all the aspects. You are telling I'm best. It is not a single day process. It's a continuous improvement. In criteria 1 to criteria 7. 7th criteria is a continuous improvement criteria in NBA. The 7th criteria is interlinking all the criteria, criteria 1, criteria 2, and all the things. Continuous to me or exceed the norms and standard prescribed by regular from the time to time. Normally, that in previous aggregation process are concentrating on only for input and output process model only. Now the peoples are speaking input and output process. Process is a core themes process. OBE, outcome-based educations. OBE is outcome-based educations. Sir, before OBE, the peoples are speaking OBC, outcome-based curriculums. And before think OBLT, outcome-based learning and teaching. And before think the peoples are speaking OBA, outcome-based assessment. Now you have the difference between OBC and OBE. OBC, outcome-based curriculums, outcome-based curriculum, how to make students achieve the outcomes. That is speaking of OBC. And OBE is speaking what students be able to do. That is attribute. Sir, the entire NBA teams are seeing these things only, attributes. What your students be able to do. Note it, what achieve, that is a different piece. What able to do, that word is very mantra for NBA. And I will start the quality of projects. The state of the curriculums. You take any curriculums, you take that Anna University curriculums, other deemed universities curriculums, any curriculums you take, these are the components of the curriculum. Maybe percentage is varying, maybe small percentages varying. Basic science and engineering science, science and humanities, and program core and program elective and program works, project works, and professional trainings. Maybe small deviations are there. That percentage of sharing components of curriculums may be there. But all the components are available in the all the curriculums. This is a project work. The one of the component, the one of the curriculum component is project work. The one of the one of the component in the curriculum is project work. In NBA, criteria 2 you take criteria 2. Tier 1 and tier 2, these the different things are there. In NBA, criteria 2, just noted, just to see, sir, the slide. NBA, criteria 2, criteria 2.2. 2.2 is teaching learning process. Teaching learning process, it cover 70% marks. It covers 70% marks. It covers 70% mark. Further, I'm moving, sir. 2.23, that is a quality of projects. Just note it, that entire sessions are, we are speaking about quality of projects. Sir, you have a doubt. Sir, where is that quality of projects? The quality of project is a criteria subdivision. Criteria 2.2 is a teaching learning process. 2.23 is the quality of projects. Just note it, quality of project is 2.23. Normally, tier 1 colleges sharing 20 marks. Note it, sir, quality of project is tier 1 colleges are speaking about the 20 marks, tier 1 colleges. Tier 2 colleges are sharing the 25 marks. 25 marks. You see that CO, course outcome attainments of various subjects has been carried out by different researchers. Already that you just see that OBE related paper. Peoples are already done, for example, in engineering design, aerodynamics. It's a separate subject. The peoples are mapping COPO mapping. The peoples are analyzing the attainments are there. The peoples are putting the continuous improvement cycles. All the things are there. Now we are focusing only for quality of projects only. How to can assessment and evaluate your projects, students' project. That is it. Most challenging aspects. I will show that most challenging aspect is to formulate assessment methodology and evaluating your students' projects. That is a things. This is a tier quality of students project, tier 2 colleges, A, B, C. That I think tier 2 colleges have a 25 marks. In the 25 marks, the 5 marks is the process of monitoring and evaluation. How to can monitor your students' projects, how to can monitor your students' project, how to can evaluate your students' project. That is NBA people are asking. So quality of projects 2.23, tier 2 college have a 5 marks. And you already past days, a lot of people are discussing about assessment. Here, the OBE speaking two different assessment. One is direct assessment, another one is indirect assessment. Indirect assessment means you are taking data from the employers survey and graduate exit survey and alumni survey. That is the indirect assessment. But project is the direct assessment. This is a CO assessment. CO assessment. Theory of course and practical and projects. Assessment framework. First of all, you fix your assessment framework, sir. That is any people's are we are in charge for project teams for in the NBA time. Just see that we first you should frame your assessment framework for projects. Then you just show me the step-by-step process to the NBA team. Setting the setting objective for assessment framework, the first step. Second step is tools and attainment of COPOs. That is a different things. Just see that it's a very important slide. Setting the objectives and course outcomes. I want to share two word files. The end of the sessions, the end of the mid of the session, I want to share two documents. One is how we are fixing the objective and outcomes. That is the first phase one. Phase 2 is the tools. This is my method, sir. This way only I am evaluating my students' project. NBA teams are asking how you are evaluating your students' project. This is the questions. What that you can able to answer. We are conducting 3 reviews: review 1, review 2, review 3 for internal examinations. IE. External semester examination is only focused on Viva only, ESE. And attainment of COs and POs evaluation, it's linking with continuous improvements. It's linking with that seventh criteria. It's linking with 7th criteria. You see that 3 phases are there. 3 phases are there in assessment framework. In assessment, you are very pakka in your assessment framework mean you can answer any questions in the 2.23. Any questions you can able to answer from the 2.23. You are pakka in the assessment framework. First of all, setting the objective and outcomes. Second is assessment tools. Third one is attainment of CO and PO evaluations. This is a capstone project. Here I mentioned, you just noted that capstone project means your final year projects only. Capstone project is final year projects only. Normally you take mechanical engineering project classifications, project engineering classification, like a design project, thermal projects, manufacturing projects. Some people are doing industry project, industrial management projects also people are doing. Here, that entire NBAs are classifying the students' project into 4 categories. 4 categories. One is design and simulation. Normally, for example, design and analysis of mobile phone. That is a design and simulation project. Second one is application project. Third one is application project with an emphasis on environmental sustainability. Just note it, this word is very important, right? Environment sustainability. Fourth one is industry project. Why I am stressing that environmental sustainability means we are recently participating. We are recently participating sustainable development goals. Sustainable development goals impact ranking survey. That time the people are asking, your students' projects are really useful for society. You are doing any project like CO2 emissions, automobile emission related project. So industry project and the environmental based project, industry project, society based project. That projects are very important in focusing outcomes. You focus that type of project. You mainly do more importance projects. CO's attainments for project work that is equal to 50% of internal examinations plus 50% of external semester examination. That is a concept, sir. You are first of all the first set, the phase one capstone project, capstone course curriculums, and setting the objective and outcomes. The setting objective and outcome. Objective and outcome. Just note it, sir. Objective and outcome. I will explain later what you are setting your objective, what you are really got in your project outcome. That is the things. Design and simulation projects. Design and simulation. The category is domain of the project and application project. For example, your students are develop a new robo me. That is a project applications project. Your students are developed underground water robo me. That is environmental sustainability project. Your students done project with in Asoklilan me. That is the industry project. I'm fixing course attainment of project work that is equal to 50% of internal examination and 50% of external semester examination. Normally, all the colleges are conducting 3 reviews: review 1 and review 2 and review 3, and final is Viva, internal assessment and external assessment. Sir, now you are giving different view with course outcome rubrics, course outcome descriptions, CO1, CO2, CO3, CO4, and CO5, and CO5 and CO6. The see description of the problems, CO1, detailed literatures, CO2, experimental process like a model descriptions, methodology, and partial implementation. That I will partial implementation. That is a CO3. And result and discussions, conclusion of the project demo with draft, with project preparation draft. That is a CO4. And Viva wise CO5. And your project outcomes. That NBA team is asking, last year 100 project you are showing, sir. 100 project you are showing. How many students project you are converted into patterns, in industrial design patterns, and how many publication you are converted from the students project. Student joint pattern is asking, joint publication is asking in the project lab, in the lab. So the NBA peoples are seeing the numerical number. How many project your students are last done came from in your department? Mechanical mean. The mechanical, the people are showing 100 project they are showing, sir. Okay, how many patterns you are produced in last assessment year? How many publications are there from your students project? So that question you should answer, ready to answer. And this is for a Sathyabama practice. We are taking assessment tools. Assessment tool is a review 1, a review 2, a review 3, and Viva is the assessment tools, our assessment tools. And CO1, CO2, CO3, and CO4, and CO5, and CO6. We are giving all the things are like a percentage, 100%, 100%. This is our allocations of marks. There is a mark break for COs. Just note it. You are allocating marks for not reviews. You are allocating marks for CO based only. Sir, you are allocating not based on a review mark, a review, not reviews, not things. You are allocating marks based on COs only. Sir, the first review, I am taking two COs, CO1 and CO2. Again, I'm going for just see that CO1 and CO2. CO1 is descriptions of problems. CO1 is a description of problems and detailed literature survey. And detailed literature survey. See, CO1, I'm giving a 2 marks. CO2, I'm giving 3 marks. Here, a review 2. Review 2 is experimental procedures, model descriptions, and methodology and partial implementation. I'm seeing only for second review and looking CO3. I'm allocating marks only for CO3 only. Just notice that I'm allocating marks for CO3 only. In review 3, I'm seeing CO4, and CO4 is a resultant discussion and conclusion, project demo, and a draft. At least minimum 10 pages draft, it should show that in the review 3. So we are allocating marks for 30 marks for review 3. And Viva, in the Viva wise, we are seeing CO5 and CO6 is project outcomes. You see that Viva wise, we are giving 25 marks. Viva is we are giving 25 marks. CO5. CO6 is 25 marks for project outcomes. This 25 marks is very, very, very important, very crucial for things. You see, sir, we are using Likert scales for project evaluations. I will show that our project evaluation forms. It is a single page forms only, sir. It's a single, I will show the 2 documents in Word document. One is how the people are allocating guide project, that is a settings, objective, framework. Second one is project evaluation forms. Sir, this mark allocations and that project evaluation form is there. I will show that project evaluation approved by AQSC after n numbers of discussion. This notice, sir, we are done lot of discussion with our peoples, deans and HODs. Then finally we derived this marks based on our institution's own criteria, like CO1, CO2, 5 marks, review 1. Review 2 is 15 marks. CO3, we are taking only for CO3. Review 3, CO4, 30 marks. And Viva, CO5. And project outcome is CO6. It's a 25 marks. We are deriving in support with IQC people. We are, I will show that one simple forms. The people, it is a only 1-page form is there. In the 1-page form, covered all the things. This is a CO1. It's a 3 marks. CO1. Now, I will start my evaluations. Your students are not clear with the problem definitions mean it's come under the poor scale number 1. Average, sir, the students are defining the problem, but insufficient. So that cases is under the scale is 2. Clarity in the problems. The students have a very clear in the problems, have some motivations in the problems. So it's come under the scale 3. Good. It is very good. It's a good manner of explanations. It have a biggest scope, come under the scale number 4. And literature survey. You just see, sir, in literature survey, I think literature survey is only for 2 marks. Very few and not relevant. Very few relevant literatures. Scale under average is 2. In good mean relevant, not recent referent. So students are referred 1980 literatures only. Students are showing literatures, relevant literature, but it's old literatures mean It's come under the criteria scales 3, good scales. Students are showing the recent literatures. Students are showing the written literatures me. You can be able to give excellent categories. So the review 1 is over where CO1 and CO2. CO1 is 2 marks and CO2 is 3 marks. Now I will start in review. In the review 2, this is the review 2 experimental process, the methodology. In this case, the people's minimum methodology is to partial implementation. Methodologies to partial implementation. Methodologies are not well. So it is come under the poor categories. Methodologies to be followed is specified, but detailing are not done. That is the second scales, average scale. Third is the third and fourth. Just to see the difference. Both are same, but the students are partially implemented. Some students are going for in advanced level in review 2. Sir, some students are showing only for design only. Sir, I am doing like this. Some students are moving for very fast manners. Sir, I completed in the fabrication some materials are purchased, sir. I got some material from Japan. I got material from China. So that category you can able to give under the excellent categories. So review 2 is CO3, sir. Review 2 is CO3. Now I will come for CO4. CO4 is review 3. Review 3 is almost completed, sir. Review 3 is almost completed. Just see, the first review, the students are setting the objective. To design, to fabricate. Some students are review 1 promising different thing, and review 3 is not satisfying with objective, and review 1 whatever the people are told in review 1. Review 1, the people are telling, sir, I am fabricating this product with this material. But in review 3 is telling, sir, it's not possible, sir. The materials are not available in India, sir. That like cases is a poor under the poor categories. Objectives are not achieved as per the time frame consistence of documents, not appropriate demonstrations, and not satisfactory. And the second one, the content of the presentations are okay, sir. The content of the is arranged is lot things, but not well arranged. That is average 2. The results are presented in very good manner and satisfactory manner mean it will come that good. Your results are very good. You are giving a satisfactory demonstration. You are giving that a satisfactory demonstration. All the things are very good. Your students started the draft report. Just note it. I will share that one line. Started the draft. Some students are review 3 is showing, sir, our projects are completed, 100% completed, sir. Now we are started the draft. So that cases you can able to give Likert scale 4. Just see, sir, 5. 5 is a viva. In the viva time, viva. 25 marks is a viva. The proper poor acknowledgement, no coordinations. For example, 5 students are there. One students are speaking in different way, another one students are speaking in different way. That is come under the poor categories. And average means no clarity in the presentation, less coordination, but documentation are pakka. That is the average categories. Good presentation skills, good coordination. Just to see that coordinations, team coordinations are there. Your documentations are pakka mean you can able to give like give that scales 3. Sir, all the things are pakka. The students have extensive knowledge. Is awareness related? Some students are not aware. The students team is there. 5 students are there. Mean one students are not aware the project title also. So that is a different case. All the students are award relevant to project. We can able to give Likert scale 4. And last, project outcomes, sir. Project outcomes, very important things. I will show that how to can evaluate this, the 25 marks. Just to see that implementation is not implementation, is the future extensives also. I will show some documents. For example, future extensions are not specified. All the project report in universities are people are right scope of the future work. In PG, students are definitely should write the future scope of the future works, and PhD students are writing the one columns post scope of the work. Post scope of the work mean it is like a postdoctorate work. PhD students are writing future extensions. Future scope of the work mean it is a PhD project. Like this, some students are very clearly telling, sir, sir, I have completed this, sir. And further, you can able to develop like this way, sir. I done this project very less cost, sir. I done this project 1,000 rupees, but you are using this technology, you can able to reduce the cost also, sir. Like this, you can, based on this answer, you can able to give the score for CO6. Now, committee, NBA committees are what expecting 2.23. Sir, all the project titles are expecting, sir. All the project titles are expecting. One file is there. One file is there. Project contribution towards attainments of POs. You well know the past 3 days you are people, all the people are speaking that POs. PO1 is engineering knowledge, problem analysis, and development solution, conducting investigation, modern tool. PO5 is a modern tools, and PO6 is engineering and society, and environment and sustainability. I already told you that that criteria are very important. 8 is ethics, and 9 is individual and teamwork. Individual and teamwork. 10 is communications, and 11 is the project management and finance. Finance also that must. You encourage the fabrication projects students are done. Mean you ask that at the end of the project report you ask what cost you are spent. Lifelong learning, sir. I developed one robo. These robos are useful for my entire life. I learned in 2007 SPSS software. Still 2007 I first time I'm used in my project many types of software. So still I'm using everyday life. I'm using. I learn lot of things. SPSS to SPSS modeler software I'm using. That is a lifelong domain. Robotics. So domain is under a category. I already explained that 4 different categories are there. 4 categories are there. Like you take any project, design and simulation. So don't think, sir, it's a mechanical relevant presentation. You take ECE also. The design and simulation is a one category. Second category is application project. Third category is application project with environmental sustainability. Fourth category is an industrial project. And moreover, most of the colleges are you just give the proportions. Why that allocations? You just scatter all the things. For example, in your college, have a 50 pages are there. Students mean you at least you allow at least 5 students industry project. At least you just choose this title. At least 5 titles relevant to environmental sustainability. Design and simulations, more titles are coming, sir. Just see that more titles are coming. Design and simulations. In mechanical, you take design and analysis projects are coming more, and biofuels are coming up, and material composites are coming, and fabrication project, that application project, very important, sir. That project you can able to convert project into IPS, intellectual property rights. You just scatter. You just first of all list your students' project title, and you can able to classify. The peoples are in NBA peoples are showing proportions. Is asking proportions. Sir, last year 50 projects are projects are there, sir, in mechanical department. 5 projects are industry project. Okay, it's a good numbers. So 5 projects are relevant to environmental sustainability, sir. Very good, sir. We are showing. We can able to show that 25 prototype project, 25 real product. That answer that NVA committee members are asking. Even though in the file, the one these things in the filing times, the people are expecting. Yes. The people are expecting this POs and domains and categories. For example, one college have more thermal specific staff members are there. Means the people are showing all the domains are thermal project. Composite research scholars, researchers are there more. Mean the people are showing more. For example, in Sathyabama, Department of Mechanical, composite and biofuel projects are came more because of the staff members' encouragement. That is a different things. So, but the people are expecting different things. The category defined. All the people are expecting split different category and different domains. That is the things. This is a very important file in NBA 2.23 project contribution towards the PO attainments. And just see, sir, we are mapping POs with COs for one ECE project. Just see that 12 POs. First CO is critical problems in the field of power quality and stability, control of electrical drives, and IoT problem. The students are define the problems and formulate the objective. Define the problem and formulate the objective. That the C, sir. The CO1s are linked in the CO5 and CO6. Just see that CO1, the students are defining define the problem and listing the objective. Sir, this is my problem, sir. I do that. To design, sir, to develop, sir, to analyze, sir, to fabricate, sir. That is the objective. That you should link the CO5 and CO6 and identify CO2. CO2 is a literature review relevant things. Identify the limitations of existing work by conducting a detailed literatures. Sir, in this place, some students are failing. For example, detailed literatures, then the people are showing gaps in literatures. Sir, already done, sir. I am doing this way, sir. That thing is CO2. Even though limitations also. Sir, foldable bicycles are already there in our college, sir. Our seniors already done, sir. Now I am doing chainless bicycles, sir. That is CO2. That is CO2. It's not literature review, not a table, sir. The people are the examiner. Most of the examiners are expecting only for tables like a literature review, author, year, and what description, what the gap. The students should have very clear in the literature's gap. Sir, already solar bicycles are there, sir, but I am doing in this way, sir. That things is the and CO3. CO3 is a proposed and implementing methodologies. And partially some students are done in the second review. Sir, I am purchasing the materials. That is the CO3 review 2. CO4 is review. CO4 is review 3. In the review 3, the students are summarizing all the things, sir. Just note it, the students are summarizing all the things, sir. This is my things, sir. I done, sir, all the things. Summarizing the innovation, summarizing the adaptation, summarizing with an emphasis on environmental sustainability. I want to share one more information, the CO2 and CO3. Just see, one students are recently in Sathyabama, EC students are doing close COVID sensor in the close. That is objective. It's a very good objective. We are encouraging. The students are summarizing, sir, this closes, the closes, you can able to take any healthcare points. That is a summarize. You put this, the 5 to 6 sensor, we are fitting, already fitted in the close. This closes this material. We are validated, sir. You see that word. We are validated that products. So that is CO4. CO4 is almost completed. Projects are completed in the review 3. Hereafter that maybe the painting work and finishing work only the students are moving. In review 3, we students should start the report writing. Students should show that, sir, our projects are over, sir. I start, sir, introduction chapters, and we are expecting at least 3 chapters in Sathyabama. Introduction chapter and detailed literature review. In review time, the students should show that draft. And 5 is ability to walk and communicate effectively shown principles and in preparing the presentation, documentation, and defining the work. For the CO4, we are not seeing CO5, we are not seeing that we already CO review 1, review 2, we are already focused lot. CO5, we are focusing on teamwork what ability. Some students are very clearly defining, sir. Hydrogen car, sir. These 2 people, sir, and design, sir. I am fabricate. I am this guys are analyzing, sir. I am fabricating, sir. This way, ability should show that guts. Some students are show that his guts in the project review time. So that is a CO5. And CO6 is a very important COs in project review times. Is a develop on a product or working model with emphasis on environmental sustainability. For example, CO2 absorber. You are one students are developing CO2 absorber. One CO2 absorber. One small products are developed. So that is you should link with environmental sustainability. Publications. Don't think your projects are only for product only. You can able to that committees are expecting project to IPR, IPR to commercialization. Sir, NBA committees are asking in different way. Startup from students project, startup from technical startup. Just note it, the technical startup. You are sharing, your success students are, even though Sathyabama also, now we are in this stage only, IPR stages only, IPR only. The committees are expecting IPR to commercializations, Commercialization, you should give the commercialization value to your students. He's simply asking questions. Okay, this you are commercialized 10 lakhs. How much share you are giving your students? That questions also we are faced in the last NB. So CO6 is publications and product to IPR to that commercialization. So all the things are covered. For example, biofuels, papers, it's relevant to obligations only, not to product. Composite, sir, some students are developing composite, product is different. Composite relevant papers mean that people are moving for Scopus or Web of Science publications. And we already see that 2 marks and 3 marks and 15 marks and 30 marks. You see, I will show that one sample overall attainment. And one more thing, don't think for don't give for marks for review wise. You give only for CO wise only. CO1, the students are, for example, CO1. I will show that now. I am showing that one student's mark breakup. Just see a CO1 is the maximum mark is a 3 marks. The students got 3 marks. CO2, the student's maximum mark is at 2. The students has got 2 marks. CO3, the maximum mark is 15 marks. The students got only for 9 marks. You see that 13 marks, the CO3, CO4 is review 3. The maximum mark is 30 marks. The students are getting got only for 13 marks only. And this COs, just see sir, this CO completely converting into percentage. Just see that percentage. 3 is 100%, 2 is 100%, 9 is 92%, 13 is 70%, 18 is 72%, 16 is 64%. You are converting percentage of COs. First, you are allocating mark based on COs only. Now you are converting attainment in terms of percentage. This is attainment, overall number of students, Sir, here is just the number of students scored above 50. Percentage of students scored above 50. Based on the people's are marking like scales is there. Each colleges are defining in different scales. Each colleges are have a different 2.5, like 50% or scoring is the above 50. Some colleges are setting for 60%. Some colleges 45%. Different things. So the course attainment. You are saying that course assignment. Course attainment for projects is interlinked with criteria 7. And the very important project exhibition laboratories. Project exhibition laboratories are there, sir. In day 3, maximum project in NBA committees are the review committees are asking your project laboratory, exhibition laboratory. Sir, you can able to more score in the project exhibition laboratory. For example, in Sathyabama, every year, top 5 projects we are converting patents. Here, I will show some best IPS Sathyabama practice. So, last 3 years project, best 5 project you take, sir. In the committee times, some colleges are next week review mean now only fabricating the project. That is not good. Best project, whatever that in your college have a best project. I think 2019, one students are developed one chainless bicycle. Still we are keeping in our department. And 2017, one students are developed the tricycle for disabled persons. Still we are keeping that bicycles. Best project, you feel this is for a best project mean you don't give that project to students, you keep in department. Some government colleges have a separate notice there, best project notice there. So in the project exhibition laboratories, what is that review committees are asking that 2.2 15 to 20 project, maybe that people are spending 30 minutes to 45 minutes. You just to see that your NB committee review times, the people are spending project exhibition laboratories like 15 to 30 to 45 minutes. So you should engage that committee members in the project exhibition lab. You take best project, last 3 years, each year 5 project you take and just display. That is enough. And project don't display only for project. In the simultaneously, so the NBA committees are expecting CO6 here. Just notice CO6 is here. Sir, I am showing spider robo. I'm showing foldable bicycle. I'm showing the foldable bicycle. Just to show me that, sir, this is for patent project. We are filed in the year 2018. We filed the patent. This is for our patent reference number, and this is for this day. The patents are published in IPR. That things are there. Sir, this is the projects are published in Web of Science. This much of impact. That things are committee members are expecting in displayed project. Sir, you can't able to show that 100 project. And the committees are, you just impress the 30 minutes in your committee. And next questions are very important. The committees are expecting 3 reports. Committees are expecting 3 reports with proper evaluation mechanisms. I already told you how you are allocating marks to the students' project. You have a you have a you have proper mechanisms are there, mean you can able to give the best and average and poor. Don't show that your poor reports. Don't show that your poor. If the committees are asking again and again, only you just give, and uh, that committees are again and again asked. That committees are again and again asked. Committees are again and again asked. Now only this is for the poor report. Don't show that your poor project report. Best report, you 1 or 2 times repeatedly just to see, because that best report, the peoples are reviewing all the aspect. Page number. Sir, we are that last minute results that came. We are putting simply sign the project report. The best report. Committees are not asking 100 reports. Committees are not asking 120 reports. Committees are asking only 1 or 2 samples. 1 or 2 sample. 1 or 2 sample report, like best, average, and poor. Best and average and poor, and CO and PO mapping. CO and PO mapping. And project assessment files. Sir, these files are very important things. The people are checking, cross-checking with your project report. Best, okay, the students are, you are giving 80 marks. This is available in your things. The committees are cross-checking project report with your project assessment file. The people should show that all the students' name list, and we are giving this students this register number. This CO1 is we are allocating 1 mark. CO2 we are allocating this mark. Like this, that people are checking. And now again the composite, that IPR, the biofuels, you can able to show that research publications. But the committees are expecting project aspect. CO maximum the committees are expecting you should show that more prototypes, more innovations, like this IPRs, project 2 IPR, intellectual property rights. So only I'm taking some slides relevant to this. Industrial design. So the project mean that design. Without design, you can't able to show that any. You can't able to show that any. You can't able to show that any real product without design. Without design, you can't able to. The review one. The review one. Why zero? Some colleges are conducting zero review before review one. The peoples are very closely monitoring the students' design. Students are design. So design is creations and executions of design solution for the problems of form, function, usability, and physical ergonomics, and marketing, brand development, and sales. And design is the process of design. It's a process of design to product that are to be manufactured through the techniques of productions. Sir, some students are showing creativity and innovation is not a rocket science. Just frankly, we are telling, we have a strong background in IPS. I think in Sathyabama School of Mechanical, 15 industrial patents, more than 25 patents. We are last 3 years, we have a strong IPR background. It is not a tough jobs. It is a little bit effort you are putting in. You can able to convert all your, not all, best project you can able to convert product into IPS. Sir, in the project starting time, just to think only one words. I can able to fabricate this design just in your mind. Some students are the review one is speaking a lot, but they review third and project viva time. Okay, whatever that you just show me, whatever is working or not working, the working model is not showing the working model, showing some dabas. It is showing some dabas only. So you always think design to products, design to product that or be manufactured through the techniques of productions. And that industry product design is different and industrial designs are different. Product design is creating artistic product, taking ideas from sketch to finished solutions. Normally that in project review, the project reviewers, the guides are falling under the product design categories only. People are not thinking about the batch product and mass production. But industrial design, that is a capstone project. The design is about creating ideas for mass productions. Don't think for only one productions, only one product mean it is a what now, that is a mark aspect. You can able to fabricate only one cycle. That is a different thing. The NBA committees are simply asking, sir, the students are only one project. Sir, the only one project, you just think mass production. It's possible, sir. Last year, we are participating in the ABLE one project show in Bangalore. So lot of people, the IIT and all the people are showing different projects. But finally, the final round is selected on 5 rupees filter. The students are showing that innovation in the 5 rupees filter only. So that is the creating idea for the mass production. That is things is the real outcome for OBE. The NBA committees are expecting quality of project like a 2.23 this only. Don't think only for single product, think for mass product. In product, sir, I'm thinking on product, sir. Okay, sir, you think, but you consider the 5 goals in your product, like utility, appearance, and easy of maintenance, and low cost and communications. Low cost. So 5 rupees filter is a very best example for low cost project. You just think is easy of maintenance. Sorry, the same cost I'm giving, sir, but my product can able to for easy maintenance, appearance, good quality. And NBA time in 2018 project, now you are showing me just paint. Some paint you do that, some display name board is there. It just is display all the things. Utility, performance, sir, very good paint products, sir, where you can able to easy maintenance, sir. You can able to do that low. It is a very low cost product, sir. You can able to communicate, sir, the product, my product. All the things are good, but not working. Then it's like a dappa only. So utility and performance of the product is also very important. One more thing, communication. Most of the electronics products are communicating with you, and you are communicating with the product. Person to person, human to human contact is very easy, sir. Communications are very machine to human. For example, best example is Bitbit watch. You take Bitbit watch is giving information to you. This much of calorie you spend today. This much calorie you should spend today, but you are spend this calories only. You should walk this kilometer today. This for communications. Way that electronics product, all the electronics product should communicating with user. So these 5 goals you just set in your minds to develop a product types. It's a very simple. I already told you that you take IPR classes. Innovations are not a rocket science. You can able to get best idea from the last students. I will show some products. And the students are not rank holders are not producing the best product. In Sathyabama, I will show that 5 to 6 product in Sathyabama. But these people are not rank holder, not of us. Class 10 students are producing the best product. You just speak lot. It's a very small incremental changes also innovations. Innovation is so innovations are not the biggest things. small incremental changes. For example, castor wheel, wide base, and liver adjustment, and backrest, and armrest. These are all the things you consider in your projects. Need and level of the importance and investment. So 10 years before, 5 years before, startup companies are very tough jobs. Nowadays, need and level of importance is there in your product being. People are ready to sponsor. Incubators are there. Angel investors are there. You can have now all the colleges have columns are showing COVID response. Students are showing. I don't know the commercialization part. I don't know, but the colleges, best colleges are showing one website COVID response. Our students are developed a 3D print mask. Our students are developed on sanitizer. Yesterday I saw that one 3D layer mask, Ayurveda mask. So different people's is a lot of good products are coming in this. So need and level of importance are there. Now the COVID relevant products are coming. A lot of products are coming. So you just see it takes this mask 10 rupees to 900 rupees is a range. The peoples are ready to purchase. So peoples are ready to invest that. So technical startup is nowadays very simple. And as a project guides, lot of project guides are there. In my things, you don't take normally products to different types, technology driven product and user driven products are there. You always choose technology user driven products only, not for technology driven product. Just see that slates. Um, like every day to life is a very, very, very simple product you just do. First, you take products there and you just develop what already available, what I can able to do. That is a uh, that is a real project. That is a real, sir. It is not a miracle, sir. 100 project from 100 project, you can able to convert at least 5 to 6 IPS. IPS, you can able to things. I will show that our secret. I will tell some slides. And one more thing, office chair, coffee maker, wristwatch, automobile, day-to-life products you take for project. Don't take much critical products. Don't take like a very critical rocket science project. You take very simple product. You analyze all the aspect. Now the design is there, sir. I can able to make like this. All the aspect you just see, sir. One more thing. These three are very important things. You should check this novelty, inventive shifts, and industrial applicability. Sir, you attended that IPR workshop me. The people are stressing these three words only. IPR, the entire IPR workshop, the people are stressing novelty, inventive steps, and industrial applicability. Novelty means the design is not attributable to any existing design. Inventive steps, the people should check these three conditions, three parameters. By inventive steps, it is a mean that invention must differ significant from what is already known. Sir, already the products are there, sir. My products are economically significant. My products are performance-wise significant, sir. Through this mission, the people 10 minutes are taking, sir. My product, my missions are doing like a 5 minutes, sir. That is a time significant. The people are selling cost is 10 rupees, sir. I can able to give 2 rupees, sir. That is significant, economical significant, significant, and novelty. Already that the concepts are not available, sir. And one more thing, the industrial applicability. Industrial applicability, sir, is a very important thing. Some students are showing project, but he is not correlating to the industries. They able to correlating the industries. Take stethoscope, health industry. You take bicycle manufacturing, solar lamp. This is energy. You just think. Uh, uh, Sir, in this place, In this place, you should normally the in a department the students classifying the students project like a category wise thermal project, design project, manufacturing project based on guide allegations purpose. The people are classifying, but categories are there. Category already defined it, design and simulation project, application project, application with environmental sustainability and industry projects are there. But just note it, sir. But one more thing is there, industrial applicability. Any project, just correlate with industrial applicability. Just to think, now you have now it's a very important slide. This is a technical and patent rights. Technical and patent rights. Now that I will show that. Sir, now you got it best project. Sir, 100 project in your maybe that 3 sections are 180, mean 90 project, 80 projects are coming in every year. You can't able to convert the 80 projects into you can't able to convert the 80 project into research publication. You can't able to convert 80 project into IPS. Just choose best 5 project. Novelty, you just check novelty. You just check inventive steps. You just check that industrial applicability. All the things you are covered mean you can definitely you can able to do the best IPS in your just see in IPS. In IPS, you have a 2 chance. In IPR mean copyright, trademarks, patent, design patterns. 4 categories are there. You see that IPR mean copyright, trademarks, design patents, and utility patents. Utility patents is a tough project, which is a separate topic. And design patent. Sir, in design patents are very simple, sir. Very simple. You can able to get design patents within 4 to 5 months. Very simple documents only. Just check. Some projects are. They see this is for your project. You are in this project. Some projects are going with utility patent as well as design patents. Design patents, you can able to get the registered certification within the 4 months, but utility patents take like a 4 months. That is a different thing. Some projects are there. It's a Sathyabama foldable and portable bicycle, one new inventions project. We filed design patents and we got it design patent grant, and we filed utility patent also. We have a very inventive steps for that product. Very inventive steps that products are there. So that is a different aspect. That is a different aspect. Just see, novelties are there. Creativity is the very little bit difficulties mean. Just go for design patents. No, sir. My students' project definitely are coming. 80 projects are there. Mean only one or two definitely are coming, sir. Very best innovative. You just keep it and just show it. You specially you take care for this project. For example, every year we are guiding 5 to 6 projects. One or two project we like that project. We are expecting more outcomes. We are expecting CO6. Just note it's a CO6 that definitely the HODs and all the people don't think this is for our colleague project. Don't think like this. This is for our department project. The school should encourage the students, encourage whatever the things is available to encourage the students. The before the review 3 in Sathyabama in Viva time, we are showing our design grant. We are showing our students utility patent published details IPR. It possible. It possible. And one more thing. Okay, sir, you are telling how to you are telling how to can evaluate the project, how to can project to IPS. You are defining, sir. I want to best tool, sir. Sir, if possible, sir, biggest colleges showing up, but how assessment is okay, sir. CO1, CO2, CO3, CO4, CO5, CO6 is okay, sir. Sir, product to IPR, okay, sir. Okay, sir. We can able to convert product to design patents. We can able to convert product to utility patent. All the things are okay, sir. How able to motivate our entire college, not for your department. The recently the people are speaking one word, that is a CDIO. CDIO. That word is very important thing, sir. CDIO. It is a separate session, sir. CDIO is a separate sessions. Now Sathyabama will start at this framework. CDIO is an initiative, is on innovative general educational framework for producing the need of generation of engineers. CDIO means conceiving design and implement and operate. That is a CDIO. CDIO means conceiving, designing and implement and operating. Sir, just to go through that CDIO website, you can able to take n numbers of inputs. You can able to do that. The world best people are presenting. World that CDIO conference, CDIO conference papers are there. The different people are speaking in different way. Innovative project. How to can the people are developing that innovative things. And engineering educations are nowadays completely transferring, sir. The engineering educations, not before 5 years, before 10 years, it's not now. It's a very, the transformations are completely changed. The transformations are complete change. Disciplinary knowledge and personal and interpersonal and system building. Speaking more about that building, system building. So only the OBE, I'm interlinking the OBE and CDIO concept. That MIT, I think that MIT in 2000, MIT and 3 switch universities defining the context of CDIO. The defining the contents are as a CDIO. CDIO is not a single day miracle. It is a step-by-step process. It's like a methodologist. It's like a methodologist. Normally, Six Sigma means define, measure, analysis, improve, and control is there. Similarly, conceive, design, implement, and operate. That is a CDIO. That is a CDIO. The entire framework is, I think, cognitive framework. You have that cognitive framework is there. Affective framework is there. And psychometers frameworks are there. And one more thing, it is learning to know, learning to know, learning to live together, learning to do. Whatever I learn, I can able to do. That confident you can able to give your students the CDIO concepts. Conceive, design, and implement and operate. In Sathyabama, we recently started for CDIO concept in our institute, and R.Kaja Engineering College, Madurai, and Veltech in Chennai, implemented. The 2 institutions are CDI member institutions. And one more thing, consuming, define the customer's needs, concepts, technique, and business plans. Design mean design, plan, drawing, and algorithms. And implement mean transferring your design into product, process, coding, and testing and manufacturing. Sir, my students are developing on new mobile phone. My students are developing on new wind pump. That thing is implement and operate. I already told to you, not a single product, it's a mass product is possible. Mass product is possible. So implemented products and process delivery. In computer science, you take computer science, applicable for coding, testing, and systems. In chemical, like a process, chemical process. Like this, there, conceive, design, implement, and operate. And one more thing, that MIT 2000 is collaborate with 3 switch universities. One is Charlemont and Linkpole and the Royal Institute. These 3 switch institute together sitting and develop and giving that CDIO framework. The separate websites are there. Just to go through it, is the numbers of case studies are there. How the peoples are putting the CDIO in real concepts. You see the skills, technical skills, complex problems, solving skills. And the personal, interpersonal system, critical thinking, critical thinking. For example, critical thinking and creativity and collaborative work and communications. It's called as a 4C. That CDOI focused skills, technical skills, the personal and interpersonal and the system skills. Critical thinking being solution to the problems. The solution to the problems. Sir, nowadays the COVID is there. I will give the solution. I will give my mask that solutions. Like this solution to the critical thinking and creativity, thinking out of box. We should encourage your students think out of box. And collaborative work. Don't think for this is for easy project. This part is combining. I think nowadays the interdisciplinary projects are possible. You can able to take guide from different department also. For example, now we are one mechanical students are renewable energies with machine learning algorithms. The students are taking guide in both departments, mechanical department as well as computer science department. It's a collaborative work. There's communications, teamwork, and some part is there. Some part is doing in different departments. Some part is doing in different department. That is a communication and teamwork. I think you encourage your students. I'm telling last slides. I'm speaking about the tools. CDIO is one of the tools you implement in your schools or department. This CDIO mean you can able to get best products. You always speak about with your students design thinking concept. What is the right? Just see that I will show that guide is playing the main role. Guide is playing main role. Normally, we all the people have a 2 theory and 1 lab. All the rest, other out of responsibilities are there. Finally, students are we are spending very less time for our final year students. But the project guide should don't more talk to your students. You just more listen. You more listen to your students. Don't speak about the facts. Speak about fact with feelings. That is a design thinking concepts. The previous traditional guides and curriculums are what is the right answer? What is the right answer? You ask right question to the students. Just now the transformations are coming. Transformations. What is the right answer? That is a different. This word. What is the right questions? You ask right question to that your students. You can be able to convert your students' project into IPR. You listen more. Most of the guide, what mistake made me, the guides are spending very less time to that students. You spend more time. If you just you give time to that your students. And the success formulas for project to IPR mean hit the street and recruit the T-shaped people. T-shaped people mean design thinking people and discipline thinking people. They'll be prototype. First of all, you encourage your students, sir, you just develop prototype. You don't discourage your students. Students are nowadays very weak-minded people are there. Designs is never done. Designs are never done. I'm not against design analysis project. Design is never done. What we learn, what we practice, what we do, that questions you repeatedly ask. You just don't think it's a much critical product. Just think very small product. First of all, you ask a very small prototype. Prototype is telling lot of stories, lot of things. The most of the colleges, the prototype is over mean the examinations are came. Examinations are came mean the students are left the college mean the project also left. People are putting some grades and I left the project. But don't think you can able to develop further. These are students are changing. Students are changing. This is the same project you allocate next batch students, you develop further things. That is we are practicing. Design thinking is a design challenges to design solution. Just note it, and the product aspects I'm telling. Convergence and divergence are there. Innovations are the criteria 7 is continuous improvement. Same way, the divergence are there, convergence are there. It is a closed loop, not a open loop. For example, in Sathyabama 2016, when students are developed a portable bicycle, the next batch students are developed a portable and foldable bicycle, and 19 students are developed chainless bicycle, and next year batch students are developed the automatic lever height adjustment bicycles. These are all the titles guided by the single guide only. Staff members, students are changing. Staff members are same. So the innovations are not open loop. This is like a closed loop. This batch you are completed. You feel, sir, this is very good project, sir. But this batch students are not completed. The same work you allocate the next batch students. Definitely, you spend with time. You put some effort. Guide should put some effort. You always, sir. Nowadays the communications are very simple. What and all, just call it or communicate. What's just one mention, sir, what's the status? Ask a lot of things. You can able to convert. And I want to share design CDA curriculum for the UG engineering programs in Indian countries. Some autonomous colleges professors are there. Just take this Tiara Engineering College Professor Thiruvengadam and our guide Palanivel. Some people are showing very good presentations. How that CDO is implemented in your UG curriculum. Sir, most of the colleges are expecting the final year only. The final year, for particularly after third review only. In some colleges, after Viva only, the people are speaking about project outcomes. Sir, how many products came, sir? How many that things? No, that is not fair. You should put some effect in your curriculums. You should put effect. You just speak all the things in first year itself. This is the slide just to see, sir. The people, the Tiara Engineering College people, implemented CDA syllabus, CDA curriculum that implemented the CDA curriculums. The people are not directly going for final year projects, final year project, final year product, final year publications. People, first semester itself, the people start speaking explorations, engineering exploration. The subjects are there, sir. Lateral thinking. Second semester, one paper is there. Lateral thinking, design thinking, and project management, and system thinking, and engineering design, and capstone project design, and finally major project. Sir, you are, sir, autonomous colleges, the people are developing his own curriculum. What we do, sir? You arrange speakers. In recently, Sathyabama, we thank to our Vice Chancellor, Madam Dr. Sathyabama. We recently arranged design thinking workshop for faculties members, just to understand why we are repeatedly stressing for the design thinking concept. We are recently arranging.
Sir, this CDIO courses is career development courses, sir?
No, madam. It's a curriculum speaking with product.
Curriculum?
I will finish, then I will come. 1 or 2 slides. Are you here, madam?
Curriculum, what D represents? DIO?
D.
Design, implement, operate. Okay, sir.
Okay. Just see that this title, you just speak with your students. You are speaking design thinking, lateral thinking, project management. This your branch maybe there is a. I mean, my branch is biotech. Don't think like this. You just to speak these words in your classes, not for final year. Just to speak in first semester itself. You just to speak. Then you can able to convert. Sir, I will show some. You just to go through that CDIO website. Some case studies. Sir, 100 prototype is possible, sir. 50% possible, 80% project you can able to convert in prototype. So just speak about the concept with your students. That is my things. If you have, sir, my colleges is not autonomous colleges. When you arrange the project management seminar, system thinking seminar, and capstone project like this IPR seminar, just to think. And one more thing, this is for my conclusion. And before conclusion, I want to show two documents. Actually, time permitted mean I will show that one more PPT. Methodologies, allocations methodology. This is for project method, sir. Some sir, this is visible, sir. Word file.
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. Word file is not visible, sir.
Sir, now visible, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, NBA committees are asking, the evaluation is different, and the evaluation we are seeing lot of things. NBA committees are asking before things, how to can you are allocating guides. Guide. He is asking everything, sir, like a circular, SMS, all the things is asking. Normal colleges also appointing project coordinator, project panel members, by the head of the departments. But you should properly you do this. For example, project domains and design, thermal, material, and manufacturing. You just classify and before allocating that your staff members. And one more thing, display that you just display in your portal, website, and notice board, whatever the things, faculty members and the domain areas. And one more thing, just displays last 2 years project title in your notice boards. Last 2 years titles. It's very useful for your students for selecting title. And call for project topics from the students with the top three priorities. For example, we are classifying our students project like a mechanical project domain like design, thermal, materials, manufacturing, and interdisciplinaries are there. And normally the COEs are taking the entire responsibility based on the title, domain. I already shared to you that domain and categories. We are segregating the students, allocating the batches. Like the student count may be 100, but batch size is like 50, 60 is there. And one more thing, the NBA committees are asking, you are giving options to choose the guides. Just note it, this is very important. Normally, colleges are directly putting based on the title. He's not asking, student have some freedoms. Students can choose the guide based on the primary discussions with faculties. That is I want to show that project allocation methodology. And one more file I want to show it is project evaluations. Sir, in Sathyabama, book is there. Anytime you can able to refer your students' marks. You can able to take any case. For example, review 1, panel member or panel member 1 and member 2, even to signatures. How many marks are allocated? How many? Yes, sir. Just see that review 1 is like a 20%. Review 2 is like a 60%. review 3 is 80%, and Viva wise like 100%. You see that every batch have a single page is there. This is after 10 years, after 5 years, any times you can able to verify. It is a final year UG project progress report 2018 and 19. You can able to consolidate like review 1 mark, review 2 mark, and based on CO1, CO2, CO3, and CO4 and CO5 and CO6. This 2 document I want to show it. One more. I think my time is over. Only 1 document I want to show. I am. Only 1 minute. I want to show only 1 slide. Then I'm finishing my sessions. Sttp. Paper. I am. I think it's visible, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Visible, sir. Visible, sir.
You encourage more things of design thinking relevant things. Oh, see that I want to show some portable, some product, 3 to 4 product. Then I will finish that portable bicycle with foldable wheel. That bicycle everyday life you are saying, but the students are using that hinging mechanism. Within 3 steps, the students are folding that bicycle. That is the inventions. Portable extension power cord. Simultaneously, you can able to charge nearly 10 mobile phones in this project. Extension power cord. The vertical axis vane pump for rouleau and Savonius blades. The students innovate the blades. You see, this is for 2016, the first design grant in Sathyabama. Every in project display time, you just show every product like this certificate or publications or we file utility pattern like this. Mean the committee members are definitely impressing. That is one things I want to conclude. And one more thing, CDIO design thinking. It's like a tools. It's a new way. The concepts that engineering educations is completely transforming. That people are speaking that disciplinary knowledge and personal and interpersonal and systems skills. That things and Hope and I covered all the points. If you have any doubts, me, you ask.